So in VLC, what you can also do is go ahead and crop out sections as needed. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Tools and then go around over here onto Effects and Filters. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go around over here onto Video Effects. And here you can see that crop is an option. And here you can go ahead and type in the amount as needed. Let's say, for example, I can say 200 pixels, then it crops out 200 pixels on the top. Let's just do the same at the bottom, then it crop out 200 pixels from the bottom. Similarly, over here on the left, now what I'm going to do is crop out 50 pixels, let's say, for example, right here. And you can go ahead and synchronize top and bottom and left and right as well if you want to be equal. So you can go ahead and crop it off right here, click on close. Then what happens is that you get the cropped playback out just like that. So as I go ahead and type it, you can see the real-time preview as you saw, and as I close, the crop is applied. And this is just during the playback as you want. If you want to go ahead and reset the crop values, you can simply go around onto Effects and Filters again, and then what you can do is go around onto Video Effects right here, and then simply go ahead and remove all of it, keep every value as 0 again and close, then it goes back to normal again. And that is how you can utilize video cropping inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.